Today I will show you the recovery shortcut keys for HP, Dell, and Lenovo laptops. HP Laptop Recovery Key. If you are using an HP laptop, the recovery shortcut key is F11. Turn on your laptop and immediately start pressing F11 repeatedly. This will open the system recovery menu. For Dell laptops, press F12. Turn on the laptop and press F12 repeatedly. This opens the boot menu. From there, you can launch Support Assist OS Recovery, which helps repair Windows, restore the system, or back up your files. Lenovo Laptop Recovery Key. For Lenovo laptops, there are two methods. First method, press F11 during startup. Second method, many Lenovo laptops have a small Novo button near the power button. Press the Novo button using a pin. Then choose System Recovery from the menu. If none of these keys work, you can still force Windows recovery. Turn on your laptop and hold the power button to shut it down when the Windows logo appears. Repeat this 3 times. Windows will automatically start automatic repair mode. Knowing these shortcut keys can save your laptop when Windows refuses to start. For more Windows tips, follow us on this channel. We've got a tip for everything.